In this video, I'll show you how to fix the server is busy error message in PUBG Mobile. Now, in order to fix this, you first need to head over to the login screen. So I'm just going to launch up PUBG and log out of my account. Once you're on the login screen like so, we're going to select repair in the right hand side. Then make sure you have routine repair selected and press OK. Then click on OK again to restart your game, and you'll need to relaunch the PUBG Mobile. Once you're back inside of the game, you'll then need to log into your account, and from here we can now check to see if that's fixed the issue. If that's still not working, the next thing you need to do is head down to the bottom right hand side of the screen, and you need to click this arrow to bring up the settings window. From here, click on region, and if you're having issues with a particular region, say for example you're trying to connect to a Europe server, then I'd recommend changing this to another region. For example, I can change from Europe to Asia, and we can try connecting to an Asian server. Another thing that you can try doing is alternating between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. So I'm just going to head over to the control center on my iPhone by using my finger to drag down the screen. From this window, you want to disconnect either your Wi-Fi or cellular data. So to turn off your cellular data, I can just press this icon here. If that still doesn't solve the issue, we can try enabling the cellular data and disabling the Wi-Fi instead. Now, if you have tried both of these and it's still not working, the last thing I'd recommend doing is heading over to the settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way down to general and select this. Click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down to find PUBG Mobile. Click on offload app and then confirm by pressing offload app. Give this a couple of seconds and then just hit reinstall app. And that's going to go ahead and reinstall PUBG to your device. And once that's reinstalled, you can then try launching the game and checking if that's now working. Now, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and you're still getting the server busy error message, the last thing I'd recommend doing is just connecting to a VPN. That's typically the only thing left to do to fix this message. So you can just head over to the App Store and search for VPN. Now, there's numerous free ones that we can choose from, but if you want a stable internet connection and you want high performance when you're playing, I'd recommend using something like NordVPN. Even though it is a paid application, it would provide a lot better stability when connecting to different regions. And it's as simple as that, guys. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.